Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install a 32-bit version of EurekaSim software on a 64-bit machine. Okay. For that thing, you go to go to the installation setup. Double click on the installation setup. Yes. Welcome screen comes. Then select the agreement and accept the agreement. Then click on next, then install it. Then install only EurekaSim 32-bit app. Okay, so that will install only 32-bit app on a 64-bit machine. Okay, in a 32-bit machine, you will default you only can install 32-bit application, but in a 64-bit machine you can install either 32-bit or 64-bit. Click on next, then install. Then just launch the application. Okay, launch the application with the 32-bit things. Okay, now like this. So so I think we don't have any plugins installed here. Now what we will do is we will try to create a new plugin using add-in wizard. That I will take it in another session, and I will take it in another video session. Thank you for your time.